So while the guests are waiting for the appetizer, you have to serve the bread. Okay, so bring your serving gear and your bread. Okay, so bread and serving gear, this is the only part where you have to serve on your left side. Why?
Because it's heavy.
Because the plate, BB plate is on the left.
Yes, BB plate is on your left side. Remember? Okay, so serve on the left side. For example, you want to serve here. Excuse me, ma'am. Okay, here's your bread. So you take your bread and transfer to the customer. Alright, then next. Excuse me, sir. Okay, can you do like this? Cannot. You should do your serving here. Excuse me. Alright, and then, excuse me, ma'am. Serve. Alright, once you have done serve, go back to the counter and bring your butter. Alright, butter, there will be another plate. Alright, and then you serve your butter. Same concept. Can you just take your butter like that? Serve to the customer? No, you have to take and put on. Okay, serve one by one. So that will be done for your. So what? While they are waiting for the appetizer, they can have their bread with butter. Okay, clear? Clear? Huh? Okay, alright, done. Okay, so once they have done it, while waiting for the, I forgot just now, you have to clear your menu just now. Okay, but then it's okay. If you forgotten, it's okay. Once you have served the butter, you can take the menu. Excuse me, sir, and clear your menus, right? Take your. Do not do like this. Excuse me. Okay, it's easy, right? Cannot. You cannot cross. Everything should be. Excuse me, sir. One by one. Excuse me, ma'am. You clear your menu. Okay, one by one. Understand? Okay. All should be on your right side. Okay. Okay, clear. Okay.